Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add signature in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to add signatures in Snapseed, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app, click here, and now select the photo. Now, to add signature, click on Tools, and if you scroll a bit, you'll see double exposure option. Click on it. Now click here to add the signature. As you can see, I've already saved the example signature in my gallery. Simply click on it. Note the signature must have black background, and after that, you can see we can easily embed signature in our photos like this. And just like that, we have added signature in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.